Here's how to close background running apps on iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, you should know this. iPhones don't truly run apps in the background the way Android does. iOS manages apps automatically, but you can manually close them if needed. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. This opens the app switcher. Swipe up on any app to close it. You can use multiple fingers to close several apps at once. Double press the home button to open the app switcher. Swipe up on the apps you want to close. Only close apps if they are frozen, crashing, or draining battery abnormally. Closing apps all the time does not improve battery life. In fact, reopening apps can use more power. If your iPhone feels slow, restart your device instead of closing all apps. You can also go to Settings, General, Background App, Refresh, and turn it off for specific apps. Let iOS manage background apps for the best performance and battery life. And that's it. That's how you close background running apps on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.